Hi, today we are building the Vintage Vineyard Bridal Bouquet from Sola wood flowers. So the first you're going to do is to take your flower and put a little dot of glue on the back, take the stem, and stick it right into the back of the flower. If you are using a pot, you can dip your stem into the glue and paste it into the back of the flower.
Sometimes in life we forget those moments don't last forever. But now I realize that sometime soon today, sometime soon this moment.
Then you start building your bouquet. You could begin with the bigger flowers and then start to add smaller ones. Once you have the shape of your bouquet ready, you can cut a piece of tape and start wrapping up your stems. Now you can add some filler. You can spread it out any way you want it to. You can even cut shorter chunks of filler if you want to. That's totally up to you. Once you like the length of your bouquet, you can start wrapping the twine around it. You put a little bit of glue on the tape, you let it dry, and then you wrap your stems. Just make sure to cover all of your tape. Now that you have it all wrapped, you're going to glue the tail of your twine.
Summer passed us without a care in the world, and each day felt like a lifetime.
And there you have it, your Vintage Vineyard Bridal Bouquet from Sola wood flowers.